Oh, hello, well ones. It's June and I'm out with my second-hand British military bivvy to try it out in some rain. Okay, so it's not raining now. This spring has been drier than a moth sandwich, but the forecast says it's going to rain tonight into tomorrow. The forecast has been wrong before, of course, so come hang out with me and we'll find out together if this has been a bit of a pointless exercise or not. Hey guys, I've stuck my bivvy down here with a nice small tarp over the head end in the hopes of rain so that I don't get all waterboarded. That should keep me nice and sheltered, hopefully. And what I've also done is I've stuck my sleeping bag in a bivvy bag, so it's like a bivvy inside a bivvy, but that'll just keep my sleeping bag nice and dry in case this bad boy turns out to not be waterproof. I have used it a couple of times before, but only in nice dry weather, so I'd like to see how it does. For my sleep system today, I've got my spring bag, that's my Leviathan, in the bivvy bag. This is my Thermarest X-Lite. It is busted now. I've been using this a long time and some of the inner compartment strippy bits have busted open and created this lovely built-in pillow. I quite like it actually. And I've got my floofy pillow as well to go on top of that. The mudjack going crazy today. Right, let me show you around camp. So I'm in this lovely, very secluded little area under the trees, and it's a bit dark under there, but out here it's just beautiful. I mean, look at this. So much green at the moment. I like this wonky stump here, like a claw. This is bloody gorgeous. And I love here the way my little tarp is folded over at the edges. It's quite windy out today, although we're quite sheltered in the woods, but it's a little bit breezy, so this just makes it a nice little contained area out of the breeze. It's really nice. And I just thought, actually, I'm not in the best place to test this in rain, am I? Even if it does rain, because we're under the canopy. So we'll just hope for some really crazy heavy rain. Oh my god. I can't quite believe it, but a lovely badger just scurried along over there. And that's the first time in my whole life that I've seen a badger in person in daylight. I've seen one once before, just once, and he was barreling down the side of a road like a big hulk of a thing, but I couldn't really see him because it was dark. So that's a first for me. What an amazing thing to see in the woods. And if I could pick one woodland animal that I'd like to see with my own eyes, it would be a badger. I love their stripes and their snout. I wonder where he was off to. Up to mischief, no doubt. Look at this. I've got a Barney bear. Shout out Burton Outdoors, currently outdoors, for inspiring me to get some Barney bears. Are you cute?
No!
Yeah, so I'm gonna have this and I'm gonna get to bed, I think. I'm pretty tired. It's been a noisy and eventful evening in the woods, and I will see you guys for rain. I'm putting it out there. It's gonna happen. I'm manifesting. Hi. We got a little bit of rain. It's really nice in there, being all cozy. Yeah, it's getting a little bit of rain on it. Cool. I'm going back to bed. See you in the morning. Good morning. It is a lovely soggy morning in the woods. We got some rain last night. I'm not sure how much rain because I slept really well. I must have slept at least 7 hours. But we definitely got enough rain to get things a bit soggy, and the British Army Bivi, everything is completely dry inside, bone dry in fact. Impressive. And I'm quite surprised by that. I don't know why. I was expecting it to let some water in, but it's performed amazingly. I did wake up to the tarp sort of sagging into my face, which felt quite claustrophobic, of course. So I've gone round and attached some paracords just to pull that back bit out a bit, and there's much more room now. It's really nice. So for breakfast today, I've got chocolate coffee and pancakes with butter and honey. It's gone all dark. Yay! Right, we're getting some proper rain now, so let's have a little look around here at our bivvy. Yeah, that's really soggy now. So I'm going to leave this as it is, just sitting in the rain for a while, because I'm not sure how much rain we did get last night. So let's let it get a good soaking. I've got my sleep system, my pillow and stuff still inside it, so I'll pull that out in a bit, have a look. And if it's still really dry in there, I'll be fairly confident that this is going to do well in some shocking weather. Oh, I love the rain. You can almost feel the ground taking a sigh of relief. I've never known it to be so dry as it has lately. Not for England anyway. We're a soggy country. Oh, absolutely gorgeous. I can't believe how much I've missed the rain. The air feels clean. Right, it's been raining fairly heavily now for about an hour. So let's yank this out, see what's occurring. Oh, ground. So I've got a little wet patch on my pillow here, but I don't know if that was maybe, yeah, I don't know. There's a little bit. That's it. And on the mat, nothing. That's completely dry. So I'll send in the camera to have a look inside as well. Right, here we are, going in with the GoPro into the depths. Okay, I found a leaky bit at the bottom. Yeah. Right. Oh wow, it's cramped in here. Okay, so I hope you can see that. There's water down here. That's a damn shame. Oh yeah, look, it's dripping in there. Oh, you know, it is not pleasant with your head down the foot end. This feels a bit too much like I imagine potholing feels. I don't like it. Oh, let me out! So it is leaking down at the very foot end. Woo! Down here, but there has been some sitting water on it, so I'm wondering if that will pull out to a tree. That's thunder. What is that noise? Is that a motorbike or a dinosaur? Can't tell. Right, I'm gonna sit and have another nice hot drink. Just enjoy being out in the rain because it's been so long, and then I'll get packed up in a bit. Yeah, I'm loving being out here. Happy as a pig in Wow. Thunder again. This is so gorgeous. And that's why as well. It's important to always keep a nice dry set of clothes at camp. Because I don't want to sit here having my coffee in my cold, wet clothes. Then I'll get cold, so I can sit here nice and warm and dry, put the soggy ones back on when I leave. Now I'm just gonna hunker down under here and enjoy this lovely weather. Whoa, it's just gone really dark. It's so dark. That's crazy. Wow. I hope I'm not under the tallest tree. Right, let's go. Thank you, camping place. I'm carrying this out because I don't want the weight of it on my back now that it's all wet and soggy and heavy, but the rucksack actually feels really light now without that and without all the water that I carried in. So where am I going? Can't figure out how I got in here. Oh yeah, this is the way. Woo. yeah, I guess I got the rain that I was hoping for, which is amazing. But it's never actually a pointless task, of course, to come out and enjoy nature. Just to be out here and rest, be amongst the trees, hear the creatures crunching around, see the leaves fluttering, all that stuff, and just to be away from those nasty modern life stresses that we're really not designed for is just so valuable, whatever the weather. So really nice to be out. Really pleased to have got some weather for this one though. Makes a nice change. Good to try the bivvy out in it. Thank you so much guys for coming out with me for this one. I'm going to be back to my car soon, so I'll see you again soon. Bye! Oh look! There's Badger again! It's okay, darling. Oh.